Hey everybody, Greg Nanigian here. We have a program coming up on June 29th called Pre-Call Planning. If you're like most salespeople, you've left many sales calls wondering what I could have done better, right? So one of the things that most salespeople could do a lot better at is pre-call planning. But unfortunately, most salespeople have never had training on what that would consist of. So the workshop program called Pre-Call Planning, we will cover the 5 elements that will help you to improve your closing ratio, shorten your sales cycle, get rid of think it overs, get back to me's, and will let you knows, and overall give you much better results to all of your sales calls. So if you have frustrations with any of those things, if you're feeling like you're working too hard for the closing ratio that you have, if you're having to drop price in order to close deals and you hate it, participate. June 29th, 11:30 to 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Feel free to invite a guest. By the way, although it's complimentary, you will be co-mingled with paying clients. It's a real training program, not a promotional program. I think you're going to love it. Register now. We do have a limited amount of registrations that we're allowing because we want to make sure that everybody gets a lot out of it. I'll look forward to working with you then. Good selling. Take care. Bye-bye.